Ooh, here we go for the truck rust repair. Took some license plate, riveted those inches in. Here we got some aluminum mesh. I got another one riveted in. See from the other side, we just bent it over and tucked it there. And we threw a rivet up here. And you can see we just folded over our metal mesh, stuck it in. And a couple more rivets over here for this one. We're going to build this up with some metal filler. And we'll see how it goes. Other side. Yeah, I almost can't tell there's a license plate in there, can you?
Inconceivable!
Oh, it'll look good when I get some metal filler in there. Put a little mesh in between. Yeah. I threw on the paint just because I didn't want it to rust. Yesterday I sanded it down and didn't put anything on, and it rained afterwards. Look at that. That plate looks real nice right there, don't it? Oh yeah.
That's what she said!
Oh, metal mesh in between. Nothing down there. This right here needs a bunch of work. That's the rocker. But down here, still gotta attach it. It's barely hanging in. But got a little mesh next to a plate. Ooh, actually got a corner now.
Perfect!
Guess I folded these in so I could make sure it stays on the truck. But I now realize I might put myself on a corner. I'll use a metal mesh, I guess, and see if I can build one. But look at that. Oh yeah.
I'm really feeling it!
Oh yeah. Not too shabby. The rocker. Ugh. Oh well. Mesh in right there with some metal filler. I gotta put a couple more layers through here to finish building all of that out. Oh, we got a corner now. Got one layer of mesh in there and some metal filler. So that's what this door back here will look like.
I hope you're ready!
Once I add a metal mesh to it. I'm getting there. Still got this rocker down here. Ugly. So, not too shabby. We got a license plate down there. Yeah, a little mesh filler in the middle. Tossed on a quick layer of metal filler. Buttered up next to another license plate. Ooh. Ooh. I need to put some mesh right here so I can build out the corner. Didn't have enough time for that. But not too bad, not too bad. On the other side, I slapped in some metal filler. That mesh will help right there to actually make the corner. I didn't think about that before I slapped on the metal filler. But not too bad, not too bad. Yeah. Not too bad. Alright, here we took some metal mesh, stuck it in the corner, and we did it over there in the corner again with some metal filler. Now we're gonna put metal filler mesh over these areas and see if we can put these pieces back together. We had no corner over here yesterday. Stuck this metal mesh on here and built it up with some metal filler. Now I've actually got a corner to work with. Looking pretty good. Better from this side. So I got the whole patch right there. Still a little tiny piece of hole to work on. But then that right there is that patch that I got going. Need to do it the rest of the way to kind of join those two panels back together. But built the door corner back up. That was non-existent earlier. So now I got a corner again. Not too bad, not too bad. Still gotta fix that big hole. And then piece them together like I did here. Need more of that right there. Need more of that. Alright, update. Got some fiberglass in. Doors on. It's looking pretty good. Still gotta sand that down. Bumper still left to do. Hood still, or trunk still left to do. I gotta do that still. There's spots in there to touch up, but looking pretty good. Not too shabby. Getting there. Oh, there's the truck. A couple more layers on now. Gotta skim coat that one still. Color some of our shit up. Kind of like we did that one. Get it all built up. Oh yeah, got that one all built up. Building the back bumper. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. We're getting there. Here we are with the truck. Just got on our last layer of filler. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Got that all rubbed in. Yeah. Got the whole bumper done. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, here's the truck. You got the fenders covers back on today. Painted some of the green waterproof fiberglass white. Went down to the main yards and grabbed some screws and got our covers in. A couple cans of white paint, about $5 worth. And, you know, now we don't have to bed liner it just yet. Got all our fender flares back on. Turned out alright. Made it white. A nice little $5 of spray paint. Maybe we'll do the bed liner a different day. Alright, there we go. A little preview. Fix that up. We can go in here. Got that touched up. Kind of go down here and see all the repairs we did.
You ever see a buffalo?
Back here. See, we built all that out. Fixed all that. Mangled rocker. I think I was able to save that step bar, but it was pretty mangled. So we got over here with the Step bars back in. Well, the spray paint worked better than I thought it would. Not bad, not bad. I had an issue with this screw right here. I don't know if you can see it. This was like shoved way forward and these holes didn't line up, so this tailgate never shut properly. I wanted $50 for this screw. I went to Menards and picked it up for $2. It didn't set all the way back in there, and I had to pry bar it to get that metal thing back where it should. But look. Oh, don't have to slam it, don't have to do anything, just up, down, like it should. Beautiful.
My man.
Beautiful. Fixed all our topper holes.
Okay.
Yeah. Fixed topper holes. Got it like that. That repair turned out pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Stuck the license plate in there. 2 of them. Just because, why not? I got this repair over here. Now have a door again.
Congratulations, you won.
I like when that comes together. I didn't really sand it or work too hard on it because she's not a show truck. But, you know, that license plate over here came out real nice. We'll get our weather stripping back on and stuff. Get bed liner on here one day, make it look decent. Actually, I'm really shocked with how well the white came out. It's just $5 in spray paint. I think I would have known it would have looked this nice. I probably wouldn't have bought the bed liner, but I already got that, so we'll get her going. I noticed when I was fixing the truck that my tie rod or sway bar support was broken, so we fixed that the other day. That project was brutal. Put me in the ER overnight, working too much, getting up and down too much. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Because it don't care. It'll put you in the hospital. Body will give up. At least mine did. Anyways, that's the truck projects coming along. It's looking alright. Looking alright. Here's my step bar I need to save. Look at that big hole hanging on by a little tiny patch here. I'll throw some JB weld up in there and some metal filler and see if we can save that bracket. This bracket rusted off on the other side and the bolt that goes up into the body is snapped off, so that thing's going to be a bitch to repair. Or, matter of fact, I won't, because no step bar over there. See if we can save this one. There's the topper holes we fixed. There's a rusted step bar. That bolt snapped right off. Still in the frame. Don't think we're fixing that one.
Finish him!
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And once again, asking for your financial support.
I hope you're ready!